Hi, so I was talking about the liquidation risks in the Binance. So you have seen my previous video that where I have shown you that how to take the trade in Binance. If you have not seen, just have a look at that. So the point what I am talking is, let's first see the trade. So I am actually buying here. I already bought it. You can see it is just moving in my buying point, and my eventual target is somewhere like this because it is going there and coming back, and my stop loss will be this trend line. Okay, so my risk and reward is very good. So what I am telling you right now, because when you move your money from spot market to derivative market, and if you do not put your stop loss on SL, then what will happen after some time when there is a significant loss, Binance will totally liquidate your positions, right? And I am telling you that is a very bad thing. If you do not put the TP and SL, you will be eventually losing 50% of your money in that way only. Because when Binance liquidate your assets, they also charge some insurance cost. You do not want that. So even if you put your stop loss in this place, you might be losing like $40. But if Binance itself does this SL hunting by seeing your account, how much money you have in the account, in that case you'll be losing the total money, like extra $7 or extra $10, $20 also if the market is more volatile. So the main point is that you have to put your TP and SL all the time. That's the secret to winning here, basically. So I basically use more or something like $100, and I keep trading with that, and I keep my TP and SL like that all the time, and I usually trade in 20x, and sometimes I also leverage up to 125x. And when I make money or lose money, if I lose money, I put my money from the spot to derivative. If I make money, I move my money from derivative to spot. So the core gist of the video is put your TP and SL all the time, otherwise you will losing more money than you you can imagine.